Welcome students. Today we will discuss a very important question that is generally asked in exams of capacitance chapter. The question is, a parallel plate capacitor is charged by a battery, right? You can say the situation is like this. This is a capacitor and it is charged by a battery. ठीक है जी? Then two cases are there. First, battery disconnected and a dielectric is inserted between its plates, right? And then case 2, battery remains connected and dielectric is inserted between its plates. These two cases noted carefully. In the first case, पहले बैटरी को डिस्कनेक्ट किया है, देन डाइलेक्ट्रिक इंसर्ट की है, एंड सेकेंड में बैटरी कनेक्टेड ही है और डाइलेक्ट्रिक की इंसर्शन हुई है. And we have to find that whether any change is occurring in potential difference, electric field, charge, capacitance and energy stored in the capacitor or not. So let's start. So I have considered a capacitor which is being charged by this battery of V volt, right? We know when the voltage will be supplied to this capacitor, then on its two plates charge would appear. What charge? That is Q. Q charge automatically will be attained on these two plates, plus Q and minus Q, right? But what is Q? It is actually CV. So that means I can say here the charge would be plus CV, here it would be minus CV, right? When you will charge it by this much voltage, because C is the capacitance of this capacitor. Then let's start our first case. Battery disconnected. Battery disconnected means now our diagram would be just like this, right? Now the plates of capacitor has attained this much charge, but battery is not there as it has been disconnected, and a dielectric is inserted now between these plates. Here this is the dielectric which is inserted, and we know that whenever dielectric is inserted between its plates, then capacitance of capacitor always increases by k times. And I am discussing that case when thickness of the dielectric was approximately equal to the distance between the plates. We have already done this article, right? So in that case, capacitance of capacitor after the insertion of dielectric between its plates, it becomes equal to k times of initial capacitance, means without dielectric. This is a very important relation. We have already done this earlier. C dash is the capacitance of capacitor with dielectric, and K is what? K is dielectric constant of that dielectric. C naught is capacitance of capacitor without dielectric. That is the standard relation. I am directly using it here, right? Then again we will discuss for the charge. For charge, we know once it has been charged by the battery of V volt, its plate has acquired the charge plus Q and minus Q. That means plus CV or minus CV, right? Means now it has been connected to nothing. That means कि इसकी डिस्चार्जिंग बेसिकली कैपेसिटर की कब होती है? जब हम इसको किसी और डिवाइस जैसे बल्ब की एग्जांपल लेते हैं, उसके साथ कनेक्ट कर देंगे, तब इसमें से ये डिस्चार्जिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. बट यहाँ पे ये हमने बैटरी से फुल्ली चार्ज कर दिया है. जब तक हम इसको किसी और डिवाइस के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, तब तक ये चार्ज इसके ऊपर एज इट इज़ पड़ा रहेगा. ठीक है, जब तक हम इन वायर्स को किसी भी चीज़ के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, तब तक ये चार्ज इसके ऊपर कांस्टेंट रहेगा. चाहे हम इसके बीच में डाइलेक्ट्रिक भी डाल दें, बट चार्ज वुड रिमेन सेम. दैट मीन्स चार्ज Q डैश विल रिमेन सेम. ठीक है जी. सो टू पैरामीटर्स वी हैव डन. C dash will be K times C naught. K is dielectric constant, but charge would remain same because it is not connected to any other wire or device. ठीक है जी. Next is potential difference. What would be the new potential difference? Now V dash would be what? It would be total charge by total capacitance. That formula you already know, total charge by total capacitance. Now what is the total charge? बच्चे, total charge on it is CV. Charge is just Q, right? Initially it was 0 and then when it is charged it acquires the charge CV. Don't consider that plus CV and minus CV, so the total charge on the capacitor is 0. Okay, don't consider this point, right? So total charge is CV, and what is total capacitance? That we have again done, that is K C naught, or you can simply say this is KC. Here I am writing it as C. You can take C as capacitance of capacitor without dielectric for simplicity, right? This is CV by KC. So what I get? This is V by K. What does it mean? कि potential difference after the insertion of dielectric is 1 by K times the potential difference without dielectric, right? So this is the new potential difference. Next, let's go to electric field, E dash. What is E dash basically? This is V dash by D. This is a very general formula. V dash is what? It is V by K D, right? V dash is V by K D. Now what is V by D here? What is V by D? This is again E. This is E by K. बच्चे E क्या है? E is the electric field without dielectric. E dash is the electric field with dielectric. जितने भी नोटेशंस मैंने यूज़ करी हैं जो प्राइम वाली हैं, प्राइम मीन्स ये जो डैश वाली नोटेशंस हैं वो सारी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ आफ्टर द इंसर्शन ऑफ डाइलेक्ट्रिक. ठीक है जी. सो E dash इज इक्वल टू E बाय K. दैट मीन्स उसका जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है वो भी रिड्यूस हो गया है. कितना हो गया है? 1 बाय K टाइम्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विदाउट डाइलेक्ट्रिक. ठीक है जी. नेक्स्ट इज एनर्जी. एनर्जी क्या है? U इज इक्वल टू हाफ U डैश. न्यू एनर्जी निकालनी है. U डैश इज इक्वल टू हाफ C dash V dash square, right? C dash V dash square. This is 1 by 2. What was C dash? C dash was KC. So I will substitute here KC. What was V dash? It is V by K. So this is V square by K square, right? So what I get? This is half CV square by K. Half CV square is what again? ठीक है, ये क्या है? This is the again energy without dielectric, right? Once again I am repeating. जितनी भी notations में मैं dash use कर रही हूँ, they are meant for after the insertion of dielectric. और जहाँ simple है E, C, V, they are for before the insertion of dielectric. So this is U dash equal to U by K. ठीक है जी. So these parameters, don't forget capacitance KC, charge same, V dash V by K, E dash E by K, and U dash U by K, right? Now let's start the case 2, that is battery remains connected. ये देखिए हमने पहले भी ये केस डिस्कस किया था ऐसे, द सेम डायग्राम. यहाँ पे क्या था? बैटरी कनेक्टेड थी पहले, एंड सेम हेयर बैटरी कनेक्टेड है, लेकिन वहाँ पे हमने डिसकनेक्ट करके उसको डाइलेक्ट्रिक को इंसर्ट किया था, बट यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, डाइलेक्ट्रिक को हम इंसर्ट कर देंगे during the situation when battery remains connected. Note the difference between these two cases. This is very much important. ठीक है बच्चे? Now, as the battery remains connected, ठीक है, until the battery remains connected, that means potential difference would remain same. ठीक है जी, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस तो चेंज होगा ही नहीं बिकॉज बैटरी कनेक्टेड ही है, सो दैट मीन्स न्यू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दैट इज V डैश वुड रिमेन सेम. ठीक है जी. नेक्स्ट लेट्स मूव टू द कैपेसिटेंस. कैपेसिटेंस अगेन न्यू इज C डैश. फॉर दैट आई विल अगेन यूज द सेम रिलेशन दैट इज स्टैंडर्ड वन, K times C. K is dielectric constant because that is the standard result whenever we insert a dielectric between the plates of capacitor, then its capacitance increases by K times. K is what? Dielectric constant of that dielectric. ठीक है, so ये हम directly use करेंगे. No need to derive this formula in this topic. And then is charge. What is charge? Q dash is equal to what? It is C dash V dash, right? C dash V dash. What is C dash? It is actually Kc. And what is V dash? V dash remains the same. That means basically V dash is equal to V because if it remains the same, that means Q dash is equal to KCV, right? CV is what now? Again Q. So this is KQ. It means the charge on the plates of capacitor becomes K times the initial charge. That means when dielectric was not inserted but the battery was there. ठीक है, तो बैटरी कनेक्टेड ही है लेकिन डाइलेक्ट्रिक को इंसर्ट करने पर चार्ज जो हो गया वो बढ़ गया है, दैट इज K टाइम्स हो गया है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज energy, that is U dash, which is half C dash V dash square. What is this C dash? This is K C. C dash is basically K C. V dash remains same again, that is V square. So this is half K into half CV square. बच्चे अगेन ये क्या है, हाफ CV square, एनर्जी ऑफ द कैपेसिटर विदाउट डाइलेक्ट्रिक. ठीक है, जब मैं कोई भी सबस्क्रिप्ट C V U के साथ नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ, दैट मीन्स दे आर विदाउट डाइलेक्ट्रिक. सो दिस इज KU. सो एनर्जी अगेन बिकम्स K times the initial energy. Next, if we talk about the electric field, what is electric field? Which is basically V dash by D. ठीक है जी, V dash by D. But we have already discussed that V dash doesn't change. V dash remains the same. So I will write it as V by D. And what is D? D is the distance between the plates. This distance, right? Distance between the plates, D. So this is V by D and V by D is E. That means E dash is equal to E. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि E आपका जो E dash जो है वो आपका सेम है. ठीक है जी, यानी कि इसमें आपके दो पैरामीटर्स जो हैं वो सेम रहते हैं, E dash एंड V dash, राइट. एंड पहले केस में हमने क्या किया था, Q dash ओनली चार्ज वॉज रिमेनिंग सेम. So this is the complete article. Note the points very carefully, especially the equations, these one that I have written in the boxes, and compare the two cases very importantly.